Stop letting unwanted recommendations clutter your feed. Today, I'll show you how to master your YouTube TV watch history in just 2 minutes. Welcome to Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto, and we're diving straight into the settings to clean up your viewing data for a better experience. Whether you're resetting your algorithm after guests or protecting your privacy, managing your history is essential for a personalized TV experience. On your computer, head to tv.youtube.com. Click your profile icon, select Settings, then navigate to the Privacy tab. Click Manage Watch History. This opens your Google My Activity page where you can delete specific shows or clear entire days with one click. On the go, open the YouTube TV app, tap your profile, hit Settings, and find Privacy. The Manage Watch History option is right there. For smart TVs or Roku, find the left sidebar, select your profile at the bottom, and choose Settings, followed by Privacy to clear your history locally. Expecting guests? Toggle Pause Watch History in the Privacy menu. This stops tracking immediately, so their viewing won't affect your suggestions. Just remember to toggle it back off when you're done. Paused history means your recommendations will stay static until you re-enable it. For a set it and forget it approach, use auto delete on your Google My Activity page. You can purge data older than 3, 18, or 36 months. A critical reminder, only use official Google and YouTube TV settings. Never share your login or use third-party history cleaner apps. They are security risks. Also, these steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. For official help, call the support line at 8333-892-054. Manage, pause, and auto-delete. Those are the 3 keys to a cleaner, more relevant YouTube TV homepage. It's that simple. If this guide helped you, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep making these guides for you. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. I'm Roberto. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.